Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
XRP has been relatively less volatile than the crypto market according to a recent analysis of the market. So far Wednesday, the digital money has advanced 2.64% to $0.7707690765. Low volatility. Investors Observer gives XRP a low volatility rank of 21, placing it in the bottom 21% of cryptos on the market. The volatility gauge takes into account this means that the rank represents its recent trends and isn't overly influenced by a sudden spike, or two, in volatility. XRP's low volatility reading comes with a low reading on the risk/reward gauge, meaning that the coin has relatively narrow price swings and is well protected from price manipulation. XRP price is trading above resistance, with support at $0.73911590271067 and resistance set at $0.7692915289885898. This leaves XRP out of range and potentially in a volatile position if the rally burns out. What is a coin? A coin is a cryptocurrency that exists on its own blockchain. These are typically used for payments. Depending on the cryptocurrency, what those payments are used for may vary from general use in the digital money subclass to more specific uses in some other subclasses. 2. Crypto Law calls out Ethereum co-founder for holding a significant treasury of ETH. Crypto Law, a site dedicated to U.S. legal and regulatory developments for crypto assets, has publicly challenged Joseph Lubin, co-founder of Ethereum, after he admitted the company has been maintaining a significant treasury of ETH. This comes after Consensus, an Ethereum blockchain software company also founded by Lubin, announced it had successfully raised $450 million in its latest financing round. This so-called Series D fundraiser was spearheaded by Parify Capital, an investment firm that focuses on decentralized finance markets. Lubin was sharing the news in a Twitter thread about the successful fundraising round but, after facing backlash from other users, restricted comments. Many users were questioning how Ethereum's philosophy of decentralization can be reconciled with the company itself holding significant reserves of ETH. In particular, news about Ethereum's stock of its own cryptocurrency prompted a response from Crypto Law, which has long been commenting on Ethereum's supposed free pass from the SEC. Crypto Law has been directly comparing Ethereum's supposed sweetheart deal with the SEC to the Ripple lawsuit, which has been mired in controversy. Consensus is a direct competitor of Ripple with both developing cross-border payment systems for Ethereum. Crypto Law claims, with reference to papers filed in court, that multiple questionable meetings between Consensus and SEC officials took place to lobby for a free pass and redirect SEC attention to its competitor. As a result of the SEC lawsuit, Ripple XRP lost $15 billion in market capitalization. One Twitter user speculated that the SEC lawsuit has been purposely dragged out in order to give Consensus time to develop a viable competitor to XRP. Top 3 price prediction: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, crypto markets to kickstart relief rally. Bitcoin price remains struggling between $36,400 and $46,200 with no directional bias. Ethereum price takes steps to sidestep the bearish outlook but has not succeeded yet. Ripple price maintains its bullish outlook and eyes a retest of $1. Bitcoin price saw a massive spike ahead of the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting on March 16. The rally was brief, however, and has been undone, suggesting that BTC is likely to head lower before any noticeable uptrends resume. While Ethereum follows the big cryptos lead, Ripple and other altcoins are likely to take advantage and rally. Bitcoin price attempts a quick run-up. Bitcoin price has tagged the $36,398 to $38,895 demand zone multiple times and shows no signs of breaking out from this consolidation range. This coiling up of price action for BTC is most likely going to resolve lower if ongoing developments in the traditional markets worsen. A daily candlestick close below $36,398 will invalidate the said demand zone and open the path for bears to knock BTC down to the weekly support level at $34,752, which is the last line of defense. A breakdown of this foothold will indicate that Bitcoin price could crash to $30,000 to collect liquidity resting below the equal lows formed in mid-2021. While things look bearish for Bitcoin price, A daily candlestick close above $52,000 will create a higher high, invalidating the bearish thesis. Ethereum price attempts to prevent bearish fate. Ethereum price has set up 3 lower highs and higher lows, which, when connected using trend lines, reveals a symmetrical triangle. This technical formation forecasts a 26% crash to $1,962, obtained by adding the distance between the first swing high and low to the breakout point at $2,631. ETH already breached the pattern on March 6, but it has had trouble heading lower due to the weekly support level at $2,541. A decisive move below this level could be the key to seeing ETH head down to the $2,000 psychological level or lower. A bearish outlook seems the most logical outcome, and a resurgence of buying pressure will have a tough time pushing ETH higher. The resistance levels extending from $2,762 to $3,523 will be a formidable barrier to breach. Only a daily candlestick close above $3,600 will invalidate the bearish thesis for Ethereum price. Ripple price hangs on. Ripple price formed a bull flag pattern with a bullish outlook, contrary to Ethereum. Moreover, there are multiple support levels starting from $0.705 to $0.546 that suggest less risk of a downside move for the remittance token. The bull flag forecasts a 31% ascent, obtained by measuring the pole's length and adding it to the breakout point at $0.767. This technique reveals a target at $1. However, moving to this level will not be easy, and Ripple price might take pit stops at $0.855 and $0.917. Regardless of the bullish outlook for Ripple price, it is highly correlated with Bitcoin. Therefore, a crash in BTC could see XRP price head lower as well. Hence, a daily close below the $0.689 support level will invalidate the demand zone and the bull flag hypothesis, and knock XRP to the next support area, extending from $0.546 to $0.633. Here, buyers will have another chance at a comeback, but failing to hold above $0.546 will create a lower low and further invalidate the bullish thesis. Ripple partner and Wells Fargo collaborating on swift replacement. The Clearing House, a known Ripple partner company, is working with Wells Fargo on a cross-border payments system, specifically designed to support digital commerce, that could potentially replace SWIFT. The system, known as Real-Time Payments, RTP, service, would facilitate the real-time transfer of digital currency between eligible accounts at Wells Fargo. A new Wells Fargo online service agreement has been shared online that details how this project could directly challenge SWIFT's dominance. The Clearing House has stated that RTP service is specifically designed for the digital, on-the-go way we live and work today. In particular, unlike rival payment systems, the RTP system includes real-time postings, immediate confirmation and a secure two-way messaging service. Transfers would be immediate and final, offering maximum control to the account holder, just like cash. Nonetheless, at the moment, it seems the RTP service will be heavily restricted at Wells Fargo with a $5,000 single payment cap, despite the Clearing House stating elsewhere that its system works within a $100,000 credit transfer limit. Wells Fargo has also reserved the right to discontinue, modify or suspend access to the RTP service at any time. Ultimately, however, this is further evidence that digital currencies are tentatively becoming increasingly adopted by mainstream financial institutions. Major banks are recognizing the need to improve the flow of commerce in the digital economy with bespoke systems designed for that purpose. Indeed, despite some hesitancy, Wells Fargo has specifically announced that it will reserve the right to add additional accounts that are eligible to the RTP service. Ripple appoints Michael Warren to board of directors. At a time when Ripple looks toward its next phase following a record year of success in 2021, Michael's unique expertise will be an invaluable resource guiding our next steps for accelerated company growth and broader adoption of Ripple's offerings from customers around the world. Ripple, the leading provider of enterprise blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions, today announced Michael Warren as joining its board of directors. A former senior advisor in the White House during the Obama administration, Warren brings decades of leadership in financial services, international business, and government policy to Ripple as the company continues to champion regulatory clarity in the U.S. and expand its presence in global markets. Michael possesses deep experience and an impressive track record counseling public and private sector leaders at the highest levels during critical moments of scale, said Brad Garlinghouse, CEO, Ripple. At a time when Ripple looks toward its next phase following a record year of success in 2021, Michael's unique expertise will be an invaluable resource guiding our next steps for accelerated company growth and broader adoption of Ripple's offerings from customers around the world. Warren is Managing Director of Albright Stonebridge Group, part of Denton's Global Advisors, where he consults companies, investors, and stakeholders on navigating challenging business and regulatory landscapes in new and emerging markets. Prior to his tenure at ASG, Warren served on the administrations of 2 U.S. presidents. Warren was senior advisor of the White House Presidential Personnel Office during President Barack Obama's first term. In 2010, President Obama appointed Warren to serve on the board of directors of the Overseas Private Investment Corporation, where he served on the audit committee until his term ended in 2019. During the Clinton administration, he was executive director of the National Economic Council at the White House and served in the office of the Secretary of the U.S. Department of Labor. I'm excited to join Ripple at such a pivotal moment in history, both for the company as well as crypto at large, said Michael Warren. I have long admired the tenacity shown by Ripple and its management team, using regulatory setbacks in the U.S. as an opportunity to pioneer crypto regulation for the benefit of industry innovation and establish an equal playing field for all. I look forward to being a part of Ripple's efforts to move the needle forward on crypto regulation while the company further solidifies its position as a leader in global finance and the digital economy. Warren serves on the board of trustees of the Common Fund. He is also a member of the board of directors of Walker & Dunlop, and Maximus. He is a trustee of Yale University and is a member of the Yale Corporation Investment Committee. About Ripple. Ripple is doing for value what the internet did for information, enabling its instant and seamless flow around the world. We call this the Internet of Value, IOV. Using blockchain and cryptocurrency technology, Ripple is dedicated to creating powerful gains in financial efficiency, equity and inclusion. In addition, Ripple is developing and enabling future use cases that will catalyze the new digital economy for governments, businesses and consumers.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks everybody. See you later.